Welcome to this tutorial where I'll walk you through the Facebook automation script I've developed for posting in local groups. I'll be sharing how I managed to automate Facebook postings across multiple accounts. Currently, I'm running 12 accounts, each of which is part of anywhere from 100 to 450 groups. This setup allows me to efficiently promote content in a large number of groups with minimal manual effort. Before we dive into the automation, the first step is to prepare the promotional text. As you can see here, I have the text ready in 3 languages: English, Spanish, and Russian. The content includes all the essential information like time, address, phone number, and price. Additionally, I can include links to an Instagram account or website if needed. Now, with the text ready, it's time to run the script. Once I execute the code, it launches the browser to start the automation process. But before we go any further, let's take a quick look at the spreadsheet where all the group names and links are stored. Right now, you'll notice it's empty, but that won't be the case for long. Let's check what the browser is doing. As you can see, it's scrolling through all the groups I've joined and extracting the necessary information. This data is then automatically populated into the spreadsheet. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for the next phase of the process. After the group information is extracted, the script begins posting in those groups, starting with the first one. Here, you can see an example of a post being made in English, complete with an attached photo. When it comes to videos, they usually take a bit longer to upload, so there might be a short wait during this process. Now, let's revisit our spreadsheet. As you can see, the first group we posted to has been recorded, ensuring that the script doesn't post to the same group multiple times. This information is stored in a sheet called state. This feature helps track and manage all the groups where content has already been posted. To give you a clearer picture, I've sped up the posting process in the remaining groups. In one run, I managed to post in 15 different groups. Once the English version finishes, the script automatically switches to the Russian version, following the exact same process of extracting groups and posting in them. When the Russian script completes, the Spanish version kicks in and does the same. But I haven't included the Spanish version in this video. The accounts rotate every 15 groups, with each account handling up to 90 groups per day. If they run out of groups to post in, the script re-extracts the group information and starts the process again. To wrap things up, I wanted to demonstrate that this process is entirely automated, so I recorded a quick video of my laptop in action. This automation not only saves time, but ensures consistency across all postings. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how I use my Facebook automation script to post across multiple groups. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach me out at 786-674-2112.